Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. One day one tutorial. Today we're going to make a YouTube Kids logo which is eye-catching with interesting colors, shocking colors. So first of all, let's pick the equilateral triangle here, and then rotate it so it looks like a YouTube Play logo, and then give a color. Shocking colors here can be yellow and blue as a good combination for YouTube kids because kids love blue and yellow. And so give a text here. I would like to give my watermark here. You can either write your motto or brief details about your YouTube channel. For example, you can say full of fun, maybe like that. And this one, you put the name of the logo. There will be two words of the logo name. So let's make it blue, dark blue, navy, and give a stroke. Stroke here will be yellow and make it bold, like super bold. And the emboss to make it look like 3D. And copy and write the second line, which is kids. You can, if your logo name is only one word, it is okay. You can give channel or something, or make it just one line. It's fine. It's all based on your preference. All right. Can make it bigger or even bigger and choose the font that you like. And so and after that we can pick a shape which is star here as the dot of the I letter. We make it white in color, and we put the stroke. Give a stroke. It can be blue or dark blue or blue, navy blue, or anything. It's all based on your preference. Right? It looks good, but it's not the end. You can give the last touch. Okay, after this, after giving every single shape and font a stroke, a bold stroke, and the 3D effect, you can merge them all, every single thing except the watermark, of course. Like this. So we give another stroke, the last stroke, as the outline of the whole things here, and white color, so it looks amazing. It looks eye-catching with shocking colors. Beautiful.